pouring. Very rainy. It started pouring while we were walking. The game was canceled because it was pouring. Exceptional. Very special. He is an exceptional student. His cooking skills are exceptional. Indolent. Very lazy. He is too indolent to clean his room. She felt indolent and stayed in bed all day. Massive. Very big. The elephant is a massive animal. The cake was massive and delicious. Pungent. Very smelly. The onions had a pungent smell. The room was filled with a pungent smell. Idiotic. Very stupid. Don't make idiotic jokes in class. He made an idiotic decision without thinking. Apprehensive. Very nervous. She felt apprehensive before her exam. I was apprehensive about meeting new people. Ecstatic. Very happy. She was ecstatic about her exam results. He felt ecstatic after winning the game. Perilous. Very risky. They went skateboarding in a perilous area. He made a perilous jump across the rocks. Slovenly. Very messy. His room is always slovenly. She looked slovenly in old clothes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!